In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on Outlook dark mode. So I'm starting here on my computer with Outlook already open, and from the main screen, I'm going to move my mouse up to the top left corner and click on File. As soon as I click File, a new menu opens on the left side, and this is where I can access the main settings for Outlook. From this menu, I'm going to click on Settings. Once I click it, a settings window opens and I can see different categories listed on the left side. What I want here is the general section, so I go ahead and click on general in the left pane. As soon as I select it, the options on the right side update, and now I can see the general appearance and interface settings for Outlook. Now I'm looking for the appearance section. This is where Outlook lets you change how everything looks visually. Once I find appearance, I click on it and I can see the different display options available. One of the options here is dark mode, which is exactly what we want. So I go ahead and select dark mode and you'll see the option highlight once it's selected. At this point Outlook is ready to apply the change, but it won't take effect until I save it. So I move down and click on save to apply the changes. As soon as I click save, Outlook switches over to dark mode and the interface updates right away. The background becomes darker and the text becomes lighter, making it easier on the eyes, especially if you're working at night or in low light environments. Once that's done, you can close the settings window and continue using Outlook normally. The dark mode will stay enabled unless you decide to change it back later using the same steps.